Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these A-style LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
This video, we'll learn how to install a front grille for 1996 to 1998 Honda Civic. We can begin underneath the front bumper by removing two 10mm bolts, as shown here in red arrows. Now to the side of the front bumper, where the fender and the bumper meet. We can remove the one Phillips screw that connects the two. Now to on top of the front bumper, we'll notice that there are 7 yellow arrows in this video. The 7 yellow arrows indicate that there are 7 clips. Please remove them now. The front bumper can now come completely off, and if we notice and look behind the front bumper, we'll notice that there are 4 red arrows with 4 Phillips heads. As soon as all the screws are off, we could just pop up the front grille, like so. All we need to do now is put back on the new front grille. Place back all the screws and clips removed from earlier. Make sure the bumper is back into place. Place back the screws and clips. Put back everything removed from earlier. Your new Civic front grille is ready for the streets. Please make sure that everything is secure before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.